Ayan, hi daw po sabi ng ating best friend. And maybe call out po sa family ni Zeus. Ayan. Okay, ready po? One more. Another shot po tayo. Ready? 1, 2. Okay. One more time po. Okay, and everyone, I am encouraging you all to please stand up. Tayo po tayong lahat at sabay-sabay po namin kantahan si Zeus ang happy birthday song with the cake. So once yan po na magtog ang ating birthday song, sabayan po natin ang pagkanta. And now let's sing a happy birthday song for our birthday celebrant. At the count of 1, 2, 3, sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay, one more time with the energy. Ready? Happy birthday to you. Everyone isang malakas na happy birthday, Zeus, at the count of 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday, Zeus. And now, Mommy, present to go into this blow ang kanyang candle. Right now, may we have a birthday wish from Mommy po. Ayan.
First of all, thank you po sa lahat ng mga pumunta. Thank you din po kay Lord na natupad tong first birthday ng anak ko ng party. Ang wish ko lang sa anak ko, sana lumaki siya mabuting bata, may takot sa Diyos, mapagmahal, at ayun, maging masigla lang siya, laging good health. Thank you po!
Happy birthday din siya.
Thank you so much po. Okay, and now, Jollibee, iabot mo na ang iyong unang regalo para kay Zeus. Ano ba yan, Jollibee? Wait lang, ito na. Isang, ano yan, Jollibee? Ano yung regalo mo for Zeus? Isang Jollibee lang! It's a mini version lamp ni Jollibee. Alright, thank you so much po. Thank you so much, Jollibee, for that wonderful gift. And now, Jollibee, it's time for you to give yung iyong mga sariling birthday wishes. So, ilan ba ang birthday wishes ni Jollibee? Okay, so sabi po ni Jollibee, bibilangin daw po natin ng sabay-sabay kung ilan ang kanyang birthday wishes. Okay, everyone, let's all count on how many wishes have Jollibee for our birthday celebrant. So, let's all count. Ready? Meron si Jollibee? 1! Sabay-sabay tayong lahat. But, isa pa. Ready? Meron si Jollibee? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5! 4 na, pati yung fingers na 5. 4 na yung fingers niya. So, meron siyang 4 wishes para kay Zeus. Ang first wish ni Jollibee for Zeus is that when you grow up, ikaw daw ay namaking katulad ni Mommy na magiging ano yan? Ano po yung ganong gesture? Matag? Bigay? Or generous? Magkakasunda naman. Okay, and for the second wish ni Jollibee for Zeus is that when you grow up, ikaw daw ay namaking katulad pa rin ni Mommy na magiging manginginom. Manginginom ng tubig at vitamins para siyang nihada ang katawang paglaki. And for the third wish ni Jollibee for Zeus is that when you grow up, ikaw daw ay namaking katulad ni Jollibee na maging ano yan? Ano yun? Ha? Maging pogi or macho. Ano pa? May abs. Ika ng abs. Apat din. Sige. Apat na abs mo. Parang isa lang abs mo. Okay, and for the fourth and final question, Jollibee for Zeus is that when we grow up, because I naman can always be happy like our best friend, Jollibee. Thank you so much for the wonderful wishes, Jollibee. And now everyone and the kids, please go back to your mama and daddies because it's time for us to witness a #1 dance performance ng ating best friend. So please go back to your mommy and daddies muna. Okay?